My name is Michael Devlin. I'm the Sports Development Officer at Abertay University. Sport at university, and at Abertay specifically, is a hugely rewarding experience. I would highly recommend that you get involved in some capacity. It doesn't matter if you are playing sport, or you are refereeing, or you are coaching, or you're part of a competitive sports team or a non-competitive sports team, or if it's physical activity that you want to be involved in. We support all levels of activity, whether you are the star striker in the football team, or you are coming to join the hockey team for the first time. It doesn't matter what level you are at, we can support your activity. So we have a wide range of sports at Abertay, from your mainstream sports such as rugby and football, to your less mainstream sports such as netball and volleyball and dance. We have 11 clubs in total this year. Really easy to join the clubs. All you need to do is jump onto Abertay store, leisure activities and sport, and the memberships for our sports clubs and also our gym facilities are available for you. So we support physical activity in a number of different ways. The sports clubs is one way, but we also have our on-campus gym facilities. We are open now after COVID, during the week 8 a.m. to 9 p.m, and then on Saturday 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. as well. We've just recently recruited a number of new staff who offer us a wide range of skills in terms of the exercise classes which we want to put out later in the year, but also our fitness instructor and our strength and conditioning, and our ability to be able to speak to our gym members and put a programme together which suits their needs. I think whatever university you're studying at, sport plays a huge part. We get a lot of feedback from our students at the end of the year, and we understand that sport has played a huge role. Being involved in the sport clubs, particularly having a network of support in place from the moment you join your sports club all the way through university, you are making friends for life. We also understand that sport is sometimes the main reason that students decide to stay at university if there are difficult times. The sport is what motivates them to continue to study at Abertay, and I can't highly recommend enough getting involved in some regard.